How many pickup calls does your laundry team answer every day? And how many customers still ask, "Where are my clothes?" Now imagine handling all of it with just one WhatsApp number. Most laundry businesses still manage bookings manually. Pickup requests get missed, customers keep calling for updates, and your staff spends more time answering phones than serving customers. Customers simply send pickup on WhatsApp. They choose a pickup slot, share their location, and receive an instant confirmation. No phone calls, no waiting, and no manual booking. As the order moves through each stage, WhatsApp automatically keeps the customer informed. Pickup confirmed, washing in progress, ready for delivery, and out for delivery without your staff sending a single message. Payment links are sent directly inside WhatsApp, making it easy for customers to pay instantly. After a few days, an automatic reminder brings them back for their next pickup, helping you generate repeat business without extra effort. One WhatsApp number can handle bookings, updates, payments, and repeat orders all in one place. Start automating your laundry business with Go4 WhatsApp today.